There is nothing I love more than an outgrown underarm. Like, underarms are probably one of my favorite services to do alongside Brazilians. But girl, just look at this video. I love it. She has really directional growth where you see that some of them go upward and some of her hairs go down. So you definitely want to map out that first. Always cleanse, always add your powder, and this is going to make sure that the wax adheres properly to the hairs. So this wax that we're using today is none less Tickled Pink by Sexy Smooth, and I am obsessed with this formula. The way it spreads is beautiful, honestly. The color, amazing. I love it more than the Purple Seduction just because you can see the hairs more and it feels a little bit more flexible. So I definitely love that. The Purple Seduction I love for underarms as well and face, and it's a little bit like harder. This one's just more flexible, so I really like it on Brazilians. So obviously you want to do your two sections based off her hair growth. Look at this pool. I'm gonna let that pool do the talking because look at that. So good. So good. And you're gonna see that the hair left behind is mainly on that crevice where I didn't have both of the waxes touch. And per usual, I go in with a cleanup strip with every single wax that I use. You should always be doing a cleanup strip. And honestly, if the skin doesn't look like it's irritated, like it's not super red or anything, you can still go over the skin, you know, multiple times with hard wax. Soft wax, you can't. Like, soft wax is one and done, that's it. But take that extra time, you know, to give your clients the results that they would like. You know, I would like to go home and still have hair left over. So definitely take that extra time and do that. They will definitely thank you for that. So I'm going to go in with this emulsion, and this is for cooling lotion, hydration, nourishment, and then I'm going to go in with my own body oil. They'll be launching soon, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this.